Hello my darlings, on today's tutorial I'll show you how to glue Hotfix Rhinestones on a lace, tulle and satin fabric. I'll be using this Hotfix Applicator tool and Hotfix Rhinestones. So these Hotfix Rhinestones have a black glue at the back of the rhinestone, and to pick these rhinestones I'll be using this picker tool which picks the rhinestones like that. And I can place these rhinestones anywhere where I want, and with this end I can position these rhinestones in right position. This is a very useful tool for the rhinestones. My Hotfix Applicator tool is standoff at the moment, so before I glue these Hotfix rhinestones on the lace I need to screw on the rhinestone tip at the end there, and this Hotfix Applicator tool comes with a different size tips as you can see here. And I'll be using 3mm rhinestone tip and Hotfix rhinestones. My Hotfix Applicator tool is standoff at the moment. I'm screwing on this 3mm tip, so it looks like that. Next, I'm turning on my Hotfix Applicator tool, and I will leave this applicator tool to heat up on this stand for approximately 3 minutes. Also, I'm using 2 mats on my table to protect my table because the Hotfix Applicator tool gets really hot. I will glue these rhinestones on tulle, satin and lace fabric. So whilst my Hotfix Applicator tool is heating up, I will place these rhinestones on this lace and this satin fabric. And this tulle fabric. My Hotfix Applicator tool is heated up now and it's ready to glue these Hotfix rhinestones. I'm using my Hotfix Applicator tool vertically like that, and I'm pressing on this rhinestone, this Hotfix Applicator tool tip like that, and I'm holding this tip down on each rhinestone for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. So the rhinestones are glued on. As you can see, they are stuck to the mat, and this is how it looks after I glued these Hotfix rhinestones on a tulle fabric. This is the back and this is the front. So these Hotfix rhinestones are glued on very securely. I'll repeat the same process on this satin fabric piece. I'm holding my Hotfix Applicator tool vertically and I'm gluing each rhinestone for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. And this is how it looks. So this is satin fabric back and this is the front. And I will repeat the same process on this lace. I'm holding my applicator tool vertically and I'm fixing these Hotfix rhinestones on this lace piece like that. So I'm gluing each Hotfix rhinestone for approximately 10 to 15 seconds so they are applied on this lace properly and they don't come off. So I have glued all of the Hotfix rhinestones on this lace. Now I will turn off my Hotfix Applicator tool off and I will rest this Hotfix Applicator on this stand to cool down. And here's my prepared lace. All of the rhinestones are glued on really strongly. I will test each rhinestone. As you can see, these rhinestones are not coming off and they are glued on really strongly. I will link all of the materials in the description box. So this is the back of the lace and it looks like that, and this is the front. If you have any questions how to glue these Hotfix rhinestones on a lace or tulle or this satin fabric using applicator tool, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.